Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the visionary founder and CEO of Xmobots, Mr. Giovanni Amianti.
Hello everyone! Thank you very much to be part of this great moment! Woo! Today, we enter in the new era of defense technology. Welcome to Xmobots Defense! We will meet our latest invisible ally that will redefine aerial defense operations. This is the future of defense, and we are proud to lead this transformation. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to shaping the future together. To start our presentation, we'll talk about drone in modern conflicts. In recent conflicts, the drones were used to attack targets with low cost and high precision, demonstrating the impact of this technology to modern warfare. This is the type of real-world application we aim to support with our newest technology. The tactical drone market is growing fastly. Nowadays, in 2024, this market is $5 billion and will become $21 billion in 2034. Why that? Because this is the high demand technology for battlefields. Countries like United States, China, Turkey, and Israel are leading the way in the tactical drone use. And Brazil. Brazil has the father of aviation, Santos Dumont, and one of the biggest aviation companies of the world, Embraer. At Xmobots, we are self-developing cutting-edge technology, reinforcing Brazilian vocation. The invisible ally is the next step in that journey. Let's talk about our legacy, purpose, and market role. With 20 years of experience developing aeronautics, avionics, software, and artificial intelligence, Xmobots has accumulated technology for the real world-class drone solutions. From the first flight in 2007 up to the first drone certified by ANAC and the first VTOL from Brazil, we grow step by step, building a strong foundation. Over the past 4 years, our partnership with the Brazilian Army on the Nauru 1000C has resulted in an evolution of our civilian technology for the military sector. We have successfully developed the Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie generations of drones. And now we are releasing the Delta generation. One of the key benefits of the Xmobots is our full in-house end-to-end developing capabilities. On the other hand, Xmobots has established strong partnerships with Embraer, MBDA, Brazilian Army, Brazilian Navy, and FINEP. At Xmobots, we collaborate with Brazilian Army and Brazilian Navy, applying our technology in the real-world missions, operating 24 hours in intelligent missions with air handover, transporting a Nauru 1000C in a KC-390, and carrying out many other missions like combat simulations. And test new technologies like takeoff and landing from frigates of Brazilian Navy. The military drone market faced some challenges. Military consolidated drones is the same as obsoleted technologies. Composites that is used in airframe has several problems, like low scale and high cost. In the same way, avionics used in military drones is the same as evolution halted due to rigid regulations. The requirements to have a robust drone results on complex and expensive maintenance. And finally, extreme performance is equal. Bigger is cost effective. On the other hand, if you look to the civilian market, we saw civilian drones toy adapted. It's equal to high-end technology. Why that? Because open tech, it's equal to adaptability of hardware and software. But we have trade-offs. Without criteria adaptations, you will have unreliable solutions. And finally, disposable drones. Disposable technology is like phantom cost. In this context, the greatest requirement for drone technology is mission focus. Deliver high technology without lose reliability. Reliability based on robust avionics and disposable airframe, with simple maintenance and fast disposable parts exchange. Everything without loss performance. All of this we achieved with Nauru 100 Delta, the invisible ally. Let's see Nauru 100 Delta in action.
Alpha, be advised. Target location is compromised. Enemies aware. Execute immediate breach. Go, go, go! Roger. Lifting up. Alpha, this is Nauru 100D. Visual acquired. Hostile elements are exfiltrating. Recommend immediate pursuit.
Copy that. Bravo, this is Alpha. Request an extraction at the designated LZ. Hostiles are on the move with the hostage.
Hostiles are 17 clicks out. They've halted in a eucalyptus grove. Transmitting coordinates now.
Coordinates received. Moving to intercept.
Targets in the open. No visual cover. Engagement window is optimal.
Affirmative. Engaging. Ezra, I can see them. Drop the weapon. Now!
You saw in the movie the deployment of drone in the field, and now we will show this process on the stage. Let's take a look at Nauru 100 Delta! Now I will invite Paulinho. Let's go, Paulinho. And Micro. So guys, let's show how to deploy Nauru 100 Delta. Let's go. We have two bags. Micro and Paulinho is working on the drone bag, and Micro is removing the drone, the fuselage of drone, okay. At the same time, Paulinho is assembling the RTK system. The RTK system for this drone is very important to keep the precision of drone in takeoff and landing. So you can take off and land in confined areas. At the same time, Micro is assembling the drone. So he's connecting the wing. As you can see, you don't need to connect any connector, any cable. He's removing the payload case, and Paulinho is putting the accessories case over the drone case, and this is the way to operate in the field. Okay, Micro is opening the propellers and removing the protectors. At the same time, Paulinho is connecting the GDT, ground data terminal, that keep the communication with the drone. Okay, Micro is connecting the gimbal, the sensor. As you can see again, you don't need any connection with cables and connectors. And Paulinho is preparing the support to the tablets. So the accessories case become a ground station. He's putting the tablet. This is the drone control tablet. It's a ground control station for the drone, and this is the sensor control tablet. So all of this is finished to start to flight. So it takes only 2 minutes. I will explain how to operate the drone and sensor with the tablets. We have here the planning and operation tablet with Explainer and Xcockpit softwares. And in this tablet, we have the operation of sensor with our axis manager. And we supply a joystick, so you can control precisely the gimbal. So everything's okay, let's fly. I take the ground station of drone and take a battery here. I will put the battery in the drone. Let's connect. When you connect the battery, the drone automatically starts, turn on, and now we will fly to show the operation of drone. Finishing the checklist, take off. This flight, we are transmitting in real time the visible and thermal camera to the big screen. And we can see the engineers that work in this project and our Xmobots. This is a demonstration how you can take off so easily in only 3 minutes. Now, I will present some interesting technologies, and the first one is the case. The case can transport the drone, but has another function, that is the charging system that is integrated into the case. With the charging system, you just put the battery into the case, and the battery is charged automatically. And the case comes with 3 batteries. And with 3 batteries, you can fly 6 hours. Our system has batteries to fly up to 6 hours. The drone can fly up to 2 hours. And with 20 kilograms, you can meet any kind of STAR missions: intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. The communications range goes from 20 kilometers to 30 kilometers, and 30 kilometers depends on the environment conditions. Finally, we develop an integrated solution with day and night intelligent system that can keep the quality of data to our soldiers. But to fly day and night in battlefield, you need coordination with other crafts. To do that, you need technology to meet the rigid requirements to this flight profile. Additionally, Nauru 100 Delta was developed to fly above 400 feet. With this kind of operation, you need to meet many rules to keep the airspace safe. And we do that. We don't know when you have flight demand in the battlefield. We develop Nauru 100 Delta to meet harsh conditions, like 20 millimeters rain. It's strong rain. In sensible areas, like high-density cities, the Nauru 100 Delta has an extra protection, the parachute system. The parachute protects the people on the ground and protects the drone when you have a critical failure. We develop a structured technology that is 5 times cheaper if you compare with composite solution. So the part is disposable. We do not fix it, we change it. And you might be thinking, it's not durable. Let me show you the resistance of one wing. Carol, come to the stage. Let's show the Nauru wing strength. You can do that. Let's go, girl. No. Just try to broke the wing. Okay, try it. Stronger. No? You cannot do that? I need another volunteer, please. Murilo, come to the stage, please. Try to broke this wing. Let's go, guy. You that are strong guy, have muscles, and do CrossFit every day. Let's go, guy. Try it. No? Okay, we have another volunteer. Let's go. Come to stage. This guy is very strong. He try it. It's difficult. I'm hearing broke. Okay. He broke the wing. Let me show here. He broke the wing. Okay, but the wing has a little bit strong yet, and I can't broke it. But it's not easy. It's technology, high-end technology. Thank you, guys. See you later. The airframe is disposable, but the main part of drone, the brain, the intelligence, the AMS system, the automatic management system is robust. I will show, here we have the drone, and Paulinho will remove the cover and give to me the AMS system. As you can see here, we have a huge control system, a huge intelligence system. Everything is here, from navigation, control, guidance, communications, all sensors, all processors. You don't need anything more. You don't connect cables here, and everything is centralized in this components. Let me show you in details the quality of this technology. It's really robust. Let's show it to you an example of crash that we have in some tests of this drone. The drone is entirely broke, but the AMS is alive. All the tests that we carry out, the AMS keep alive. So this is an evidence that this technology is very robust. With day and night cameras, Nauru can provide exceptional images and accurate target locations. Let's see some examples. The technology keeps tracking in the most demanding situations and stable tracking in day and night vision. Besides that, the technology can keep the tracking of movable targets with zoom conditions and do the license plate recognition. As we saw in the movie, the technology allows face recognition. And finally, we can see below the forest search and rescue missions. One of the key points of the drone industry today is the production capacity. And with our technology, we can produce today 360 drones per month. Well, guys, we are finishing our presentation, and I would like to say that the drone market is having incredible growth and innovation. As defense and security needs evolve, drones has become essential tools for modern operations. We are proud to be part of this momentum, driving the future of defense technology with the Nauru 100 Delta and other cutting-edge solutions. As we continue to expand, we are committed to shaping the new era of advanced, reliable, and efficient drone technology. But the news doesn't stop here. We have two disruptive technological innovations of Nauru 100 Delta that we will show at LAAD 25. Thank you for joining us. I see you there.